So guys, recently I had updated my Chrome browser, and as you could see after that, the uBlock extension has been removed from my browser. It's not even there in the extension page. And not only that, if I try to reinstall the extension from the Chrome web extension store, you could see that the add to Chrome button has been grey out. So how you could rectify this issue, where in this video I'll show you one nifty workaround using which you could re-add this extension and bring back the add to Chrome button. So with that in mind, let's get started. First and foremost, you have to right click on the add to Chrome button and select inspect. Then after that, you have to select the button. In my case, I've already done that, and you will be taken to this line. As you could see, this is the line which highlights the add to Chrome button. Now expand this line even further, and you will see a line disabled ARIA described by. So just select the disabled button, the keyword, and change it to enabled. And that's just about it. Hit enter, and as you could see, the add to Chrome button is now back. Simply close this window and you could see the add to Chrome button. Click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and the extension will now be added. As you could see, it's now up and running. And let me refresh my site. Currently you could see the ads are there on my site. If I refresh it, all the ads will be gone and the extension is now working well and good, as you could see from here as well. So manage the extension, and the extension is there in the Chrome extension page as well. So guys, this was some handy workaround using which you could get back this extension. Apart from that, there exists around 4 to 5 more methods which I have shared in my guide, using the keep for now option, using GitHub or the uBlock origin lite. So if the inspect element workaround is not working, you may also use any one of these tweaks as well. So on that note, I round off this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.